he is connected through video call. मतलब that director मतलब B Srinivasan.
What is his name?
B Srinivasan.
Srinivasan.
B Srinivasan. B Srinivasan.
Srinivas. Mr. Srinivas, good afternoon.
Sir, namaskar.
नमस्कार. नहीं कोई no issues. हाँ no issues. इसमें इशू ये है कि जो पेटिशनर है इसने second round of All India quota में she secured a seat in Varanasi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And your last date for surrendering that seat got over on 14th. No, on कब over हुई थी? 22nd January 2025 को.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because of the state level counseling happening later in Madhya Pradesh, she secured in the second round of Madhya Pradesh on 30th of January, she secured another seat in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir. हाँ जी.
Now on 31st, इन्होंने आपको email भेजी कि I want to surrender my All India quota seat, लेकिन तब तक आपका portal बंद हो चुका था. And on 8th February, she sent another email कि I want to surrender that seat because she secured a better seat under the state counseling. अब now you have sent a communication कि जिन्होंने All India quota में ले ली थी और डेट तक सरेंडर नहीं करी, they will not be eligible for state quota seat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो in effect petitioner ने तो अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करी सरेंडर करने की, but because the date was closed, that is over. Now matter is pending with between you कि भाई अब All India quota भी ले लिया, अब state quota भी ले लिया. So you are proposing to cancel the state quota seat of all these people, जिनकी All India में already seat आई हुई है.
हाँ जी, हाँ.
तो इसमें the prospect of improving virtually इनकी चलेगी. जितने मध्य प्रदेश के स्टेट कोटा सेकंड राउंड में आए हैं, all those who already have secured seat, they will lose. तो
हाँ जी, around 60-70 candidates होंगे सर ऐसे.
हाँ 60-70 हैं. अब वो उनको स्टेट कोटा सीट तो अब मिलेगी नहीं, आपके जो डिसीजन है.
जी सर.
तो what we were thinking was we will
हाँ सर.
what we are proposing is, since आपकी अभी वो stray round counseling is till the 18th, we are proposing to dispose of this petition with a request to you to consider these facts and take a decision. If you take a decision to permit them to maintain state quota seat, you can include the All India quota in the stray round. If you don't, then it's a decision you take keeping in view the facts and circumstances, other 60-70, because all 60-70 will probably lose their state quota better seats.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to, yes.
सर आई थिंक मतलब सर ऐसा केस पहले भी आया था दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में, उस समय भी ऑनरेबल जज ने आई हैड कम इन, मतलब दिस इज अ स्पेशल, मतलब दिस बिकम्स अ टेक्निकली डिफिकल्ट केसेस बिकॉज़ स्टूडेंट्स फंस जाते हैं सम स्टेट्स नॉट एबल टू डू द टाइमलाइन. इसमें ये है कि सर इसको अगर हम स्टेट को इस कैंडिडेट के लिए स्टेट के लिए अलाउ कर देते हैं, बट वो सीट जो है क्योंकि पीडियाट्रिक्स का सीट है वो ना ले, या तो डिप्लोमा वाला प्राइवेट सीट है वैसे, अगर क्योंकि सर वो लेते हैं तो फिर ऊपर वाले जो मेरिट वाले कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो फिर इसके लिए फिर कहेंगे कि हम अलाउ कर. सो इफेक्टिवली सर जो सितंबर से जो काउंसलिंग चल रहा है फर्स्ट राउंड से भी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो भी सर पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए कहेंगे कि हमें पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका दिया जाए. तो दैट इज व्हाई देयर विल बी कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि सर थर्ड राउंड के स्टूडेंट्स इफेक्ट होंगे, ये फर्स्ट राउंड के स्टूडेंट्स भी कहेंगे कि हमें, क्योंकि नॉन क्लिनिकल सीट्स लेके बैठे हैं, तो या तो सर ये सीट हम सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं और ये स्ट्रे में ना आए, और ये वाला इसको और विदाउट एनी प्रेसिडेंस इसको अलाउ करना है.
You see, we are planning to, because you are the technical people, you have all the facts and figures. We are planning to dispose of this petition with directing you to take this petition as a representation and take a decision. You may take an informed decision keeping in with the past precedents and also what is going to be the effect, because you have all the facts and figures, we don't, and nor do we have the time. कि वो इतना डेटा हम देखेंगे, स्क्रूटनाइज करेंगे और आपका स्ट्रे राउंड 18 को खत्म हो रहा है. तो आप देखिए, if you can do something for the student, well and good, we would like it. If you can't, in view of the peculiar facts, then we'll leave it to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She is our student also, sir. We feel for that, no doubt, sir.
Yeah. Take, will, right? Thank you, Mr. Srinivas.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you. Thank you.
इसमें लेना.
My lord, she may be heard once.
Heard what? Tell us what do we do?
She is insisting me to tell one thing to
Yeah.
your lordship. My lord, last time when on the first date of hearing, the DME had sent us this email stating that it will be the seat will be secured provisionally till the decision of MCC comes into the picture. My lord, in that email, only 3 persons were marked. 3 persons other than the authorities of the central government and the state government were marked who were circulated this email. So she has informed me that this situation is actually peculiar to these 3 people only. And
So what he's saying is there are 70 odd people who got second round counseling in state of Madhya Pradesh, and probably all of them would have some seat or the other in All India Court.
सर उसका एक कारण है, ये DNB से MD की सीट इनको मिली है, हो सकता है उनको MD से MD मिली हो, TNB और MD में सर.
You see, वही हम कह रहे हैं ना, we are not closing the issue. They have all the details, they have all the facts. We are not treating it as an adversarial, nor do we expect them to treat it as an adversarial. They are, because he came up with some off-the-cuff solution, कि maybe we don't include in stakeholder, let it go waste as a private seat, etc. तो उस situation में हो सकता है they may be able to come up with a better solution. हम direct कर दें, they'll immediately go to Supreme Court, probably situation may be different. तो ना इधर के ना उधर के. In this course, we discussed it inside. In this course, probably they may be able to help her. We would like it if she can retain her Bhopal seat. But again, they have to look at the cascading effect of this issue. So keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully things will work out good for her. इसमें ना 11th February के order से सारा page 1 का जहाँ तक issue notice है ना 2.5 पेज का ऑर्डर है वो पूरा आप उसको कॉपी कर लीजिए. On 11/2/2020 said we had requested the Deputy Director General Medical Education to be connected. Mr. B. Srinivas, Deputy Director General Medical Education, is connected over the video conferencing. Good stuff. He states that there are about 70-80 students in similar position who may have, there are a large number of students exceeding 50 in number who may be similarly situated to the petitioner. He further states that any decision at this stage is likely to have an effect on the All India quota seats and counseling. Full stop there. He, however, states that since time was short, he's not been able to ascertain as to the impact and effect of the relief sought by the petitioner. Keeping in view the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case and being conscious of the fact that any direction by this court may have an effect not only on the All India quota seats, but also on the state quota seats, we deem it appropriate to direct that the present petition be treated as a representation by the it will be Director Medical Education or Medical Counseling Committee.
Respond number 2, man.
By the Medical Counseling Committee, and a decision be taken keeping in view the facts and circumstances as elicited in the petition as well as our order herein above. The decision be taken since the last date for what is it called?
Stray vacancy round.
Stray vacancy round is 18th February 2024-5. We direct that a decision be taken on or before 17th February 2025. That's all. The petition is accordingly disposed of in the above terms. It is clarified that this court has neither considered nor has not, no, that the medical commission counseling committee shall be at liberty to take a decision, keeping it with the rule position as well as the factual matrix without being influenced by anything stated in this order. All rights and contentions of parties are reserved.